mysterious. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Pamela. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome, and please subscribe down below and press the bell thing, the notification thing, so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. So I make hair, beauty, and mom life, mom stuff types of videos. So if you like, please subscribe. So in this video, I made this look over here using the Juvia's palette, Afrique palette. So I just wanted to share, you know, to my moms out there, you know, sometimes you just want to have this good feeling. This is the glam that I ended up making. So if you like to see the whole process, keep watching. So y'all, this is how the palette looks. Everything so perfect, the colors so perfect. I usually do my eyebrows off camera. I have a detailed video on that, so I'm just gonna get straight into the palette. So I recently discovered that I can actually start using my concealer under my eyes and then go ahead with my foundation. You guys are gonna see how I blended everything out. You know, sometimes you don't have time to do step by step, so you just go ahead and do something that is really fast, but it's gonna end up looking cute at the end of the day. So here I'm just using my Maybelline foundation in the color Mocha